What are quadratic equations? These are equations that can be defined as a polynomial equation of a second degree, which implies that it comprises a minimum of one term that is squared. So malinaw, one term, pwede pong one term lang, pero dapat naka-squared po siya. Let's find out. Ang quadratic equation pala ay has its standard form. So it is written in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c that's equals to 0. Yung bawat term ay may kanya-kanyang identity. The first term ay tinatawag po natin yan na quadratic term because of the square or the second degree. Then bx, since there is no exponent, understood po naman dyan, that's our linear term. Tandaan, pag ang isang variable ay ang exponent is 1 is always linear. Then of course, for the third term, ang tawag po natin sa kanya is constant. So malinaw ha. This is your quadratic term, this is your linear term, and this is your constant term. Balikan natin kanina yung one term, but squared. So let's find out. Ibig sabihin nun, we can consider this as quadratic equation. Why? Kasi naka-squared po siya. Although, one term lang tayo. And that term is 4x squared. So, kung pwedeng isa, normal pwedeng dalawa. X squared plus 6x is equals to 0 is also a quadratic equation dahil po meron siyang squared. So, ito lang naman ang titingnan natin. And at the same time, we have 2x squared minus 32 is also a quadratic equations dahil meron po tayo dito ang squared. Dito po sa part na to, yung wala yung c. Dito naman po sa part na to, yung nawawala po yung linear term. So dito, yung constant term, dito ay ang linear term. Those are quadratic equations. Good luck. Have a nice day.